A community-based nonprofit is working to raise mental health awareness here in Clark County. Teens from across Nevada joined in on a webinar today to talk about their experiences with isolation during the pandemic and really start those tough but necessary conversations. 8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough joined in on the webinar and spoke to the leaders of that organization. She joins us now with the details. Madison.
Yes, in recent months, Nevada has seen a surge in teen suicides as schools remain closed due to the pandemic. So just recently, the New York Times wrote an article about how kids in Clark County are especially struggling. Hope Means Nevada has made it its mission to combat this, not only starting a conversation, but continuing it.
Just in case you do need help reaching out to someone.
Teens from all over Nevada came together Sunday afternoon to take part in a Hope Means Nevada web seminar. The organization that focuses on addressing mental health challenges heard from several teens and officials discussing their struggles while in this pandemic.
Just not having that physical contact with people. I know as of 2 days ago, I believe, that CCSD canceled all of its sports. So not being able to have our season is really, it's really affecting us negatively. So I think a lot of the escapes that we used to have are just being taken away from us.
The youth suicide rate in Clark County is disturbing, as an article in the New York Times reported that 18 kids ended their lives since the start of the pandemic in 2020. Isolation and confinement is hard for anyone to go through, but for our youth, it's causing them to lose hope about their future.
Like missing events, not only have we been isolated and we're not having social interaction and things like that, but we also feel like we're missing out on kind of rites to passage in things like prom and homecoming.
Nothing is more important than the student mental health.
Nevada Senator Marilyn Dondero-Loop joined in on the conversation, announcing that a mental health day bill was on the horizon. This bill would allow students to take time off if they were dealing with any mental challenges, different from an ordinary sick day. Overall, the webinar was cathartic, bringing a sense of togetherness to the teens and adults involved.
Having friends and having this meeting and Caroline and Lauren, and it's nice to have these people around and having such a big support group, knowing that I'm not alone in this.
And the organization will be hosting another webinar this Thursday entitled Youth Mental Health Talk. We, of course, will have more information on our website. Reporting in studio, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.